What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So recently my brother misplaced his key fob, and today I'm finna be showing you guys how to program a key fob on your Mercury Grand Marquis. I got these inexpensive key fobs from Amazon. So let's get to it. First thing is, make sure the doors are unlocked. Insert the key and turn the ignition on and off 4 times quickly, leaving it on the on position the 4th time. If done correctly, you will hear the doors lock and unlock. Push the lock button on both key fobs and you're done. And that's it, you're done. Check this out. Lock. Open. We'll try the other key fob. There you go, you guys. If y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.